charging bull installed in 1989 stands as a symbol of resilience and financial optimism. The statue, cast in bronze and weighing over 3,175 kilograms.
This bronze statue is 16 feet long and stands 11 feet tall.
Its aggressive, ready to charge pose is meant to convey a sense of strength, power, and determination.
It is located near Bowling Green. This beloved public sculpture draws tourists and Wall Street workers alike. The Charging Bull of Wall Street is a major tourist attraction, with visitors flocking to take photos and rub certain parts of the bull for good luck. This practice is believed to bring fortune in their financial lives. The bull is a well-known symbol in finance, representing a rising stock market. Symbolizing strength and determination, it has become one of the most photographed spots in the city.